The Infinix Smart 5 mid-range phone has gone official in Nigeria and India. The handset is the newest Smart series phone from the brand after the Smart 4 Plus that debuted in India last month with a price tag of Rs 7,999. The Smart 5 comes with a tall aspect ratio, a large-sized battery, and triple rear cameras as some of its main highlights. The Infinix Smart 5 measures 165.4 x 73.4 x 8.75 mm and it houses a 6.6-inch LCD display that offers 720 x 1600 pixels resolution and 20:9 aspect ratio. The handset is fueled by a 1.8 GHz processor. A recent report had revealed that the phone features Helio P22 chipset. The Smart 5 for Nigeria comes with 2 GB/3 GB of RAM and 32 GB/64 GB of internal storage. The India model has 2 GB of RAM and 32 GB of storage. However, the pricing of the India variant is not known yet. There is a microSD card slot on board for additional storage. The Infinix Smart 5 runs on Android 10 edition and it has massive battery of 5000 mAh. However, the device supports only 10W charging. The company claims that the device can last for up to 4 days once charged. The device has an 8-megapixel selfie snapper with dual flash. The backside of the phone has a rectangle-shaped camera module that includes a 13-megapixel main camera and a pair of QVGA lenses. The handset supports DTA audio processing. The Smart 5 comes with connectivity features such as dual SIM support, Wi-Fi 802.11 AC, Bluetooth, GPS, micro USB, and 3.5mm audio jack. The phone comes with security features like face recognition and rear-facing fingerprint reader. The Infinix Smart 5 comes in 3 colors like black, blue, and green. The base model of the phone costs 39,500 Nigerian naira $102 in Nigeria.